It's good to be back in my alma mater. The UAAP Season 88 Volleyball Tournament is fast approaching, and with me right now is the up and coming star of the UP Fighting Maroons, Cassie Dongalio. Welcome to the show. Thank you for spending some time with us. Alam namin, sobrang busy. The SEM just started.
Yes.
Sabi mo kanina off-air, naghahanap ka pa ng units.
Naghahanap ako ng units.
Very UP yung ganon. But let's talk about your volleyball journey so far. Take us to when you started volleyball and when you really fell in love with the sport.
Nag-start ako na grade 4. Tapos, kasi actually, funny story, hindi talaga dapat ako mag-volleyball. Tapos, yung best friend ko lang, sabi niya sa akin, why not try? Kasi may tryout dun sa school eh. So, ayun, nung nag-try ako, tapos, ewan ko, siguro fate talaga. Kasi na, ano ko yun eh.
Destiny.
Parang, yes, na-in love ako sa volleyball. Tapos, nagtuloy-tuloy na po. Ayun, tapos, ayun, kahit may mga time na, ayoko na, suko na ako, ganito, ganyan. Pero, hindi pa rin, parang hinahanap ko rin talaga yung volleyball eh. Ayun.
And you started very young, grade 4, and you started in Cebu.
Yes.
You have a couple of teammates who also transitioned here in Manila. Did you ever dream or thought about playing in Manila?
Oo. Kasi nung di pa ako nagsisimulan, napapanood ko na sila Ate Eliza Valdez eh. So parang sabi ko, gusto ko din maging ganyan. So ayun, parang nagsimula, tapos nakikita ko yung mga ates ko, sila Ate Gretchen, ayan, sila Ate Vanji. Tapos ayun
Mga galing Cebu din.
Yes, na sila Ate Isa, ayan. Tapos parang, ayun, nasa ano ka din na, parang gusto ko din maging sila soon. Ayun.
So UAAP was always part of the dream. So
Yes.
how did it feel when you finally knew that you had an opportunity to play in the UAAP?
Actually, para ano pa din yun ate na parang, andito na ako. Parang ganun lang na. Kasi, little kasi, di talaga niya, parang, hindi ko aakalain na makakarating ako dito. Kasi, syempre, kung nakita niyo ako before, sobrang liit ko eh. So, who would have thought talaga na, ayun, mapupunta pala ako sa ganito.
In the UAP, the biggest,
Yes.
collegiate tournament. But Cassie, you had an impressive rookie year. Medyo nahinto lang yung journey mo sa UAP, but you're back. But let's talk about that rookie season. What were your expectations towards yourself? And did you feel like na-attain mo yung expectations na yun?
Ate, honestly, wala talaga akong expectation during that time. Kasi yung nasa akin lang, I just have to play kung ano man yung training namin before that season. Kasi, rookie ko yun eh. And then, first ko yun sa UAAP and kailangan ipakita ko lang talaga kung ano yung meron ako. Tapos ayun, I think naman napalabas ko kung ano talaga yung na-train and kung ano talaga si Cassie.
Yeah. 27 points in your first
Yes.
ever game in the UAAP, and you got that win right away for UE. But Cassie, how did you actually feel about the support you were getting from not just from the UE community, but from the volleyball community? Like, you were one of the rookies na pinag-uusapan talaga. Everyone was excited to watch you. How did it feel to get that much support?
Ang saya po kasi hindi lang para sa akin, kundi sa buong UE yun eh, sa buong team. Kasi yun po yung parang sinasabi nila na before daw wala masyadong supporters in UE, ganito, ganyan. And sobrang saya kasi during our time ng UE, parang kahit hindi supporters ng UE and supporters ng ibang school, parang sinusuportahan din kami. And from there, na parang dumadami na po yung supporters talaga ng UE at that time.
So looking back, yes, the journey has already ended in UE, but what do you think was your biggest lesson in UE and in your rookie season?
Siguro po, marami pa akong kailangan talaga trabahuin pa. Kasi isa din, nangihinayang din talaga ako kasi syempre, knowing the team, may papakita pa sana kami. And ayun nga, nag-end, pero may nagbukas naman ulit na opportunity. And I hope kung ano man yung mga natutunan ko doon and kailangan pang i-improve, magawa ko yun dito sa bagong, which is UP.